Many people they find them hard to understand if statements for JavaScript, but this thing no hard at all. Why will they always use if statements now? Because say so many things really would they do for programming. You guys check if something they as you want make it day before the computer go do something. For instance, if you they try collect information from your users and want make sure say they don't provide this information before you take them to the next page. Now why you guys use if statement with that? To write if statements for JavaScript they very simple. First of all, you go write now the if keyword, then you go open and close bracket. Inside that bracket, then you go write what you want check. Then after you go open curly brackets, open and close. Now here you go write what you want they happen after you don't check for that if condition. For this example now, we dey set our number variable to be 5. I don't teach you about setting variables before. From there now, we will come write our if statement. We dey use this if statement to check if the number variable dey greater than 0. So you see they write it if keyword, then inside the normal bracket, we write the condition we want check for, which is to see whether our number variable date greater than 0. Then inside the curly brackets, we write what we want make it happen if this condition dey true. And since our number variable, which is 5, dey greater than 0, that means say the condition dey true and the computer go execute this code with the inside our curly brackets. But if the condition no dey true, our program will just skip these parts of our code. It no go do anything. And we dey explain more concepts like this for programming. So make sure say you follow this page. Thank you for your attention to this matter.